In this video, we will discuss second module of a course related to JavaScript Array. Let's look at the history of JavaScript Array first. Then we will do its practical implementation as well. We have learned about variable and that it can store or hold a value. For example, var equals to 1. Or we can use let keyword for storing key value of any variable. So far we have learned this. Now if I want to assign two or more than two values to the variable, then I have to change the value of variable again and again. What am I going to do in this situation? To overcome this problem, JavaScript has provided an array. Let's see the syntax of array. An array is a special type of variable which can store multiple values using special syntax. Every value is associated with numeric index starting with 0. For example, I have a figure here with the following values of 12, hello, world, followed by numbers. In the above figure, it has started with 0. In one variable, all these values are stored. The above figure illustrates how an array stores values. Total numbers are 9, but as it has started with 0, so they are 8. In array initialization, we have two ways: array literal and array constructor. Array literal syntax is simple, in which we write the name of variable, then write the name of array. It takes a list of values separated by a comma and enclosed in square brackets. Let's take an example. I have a string array here. I have put the brackets inside brackets. I have put the values 1, 2, 3. Like this, we have numeric, decimal, boolean, and mixed. In mixed array, we have two values, numbers and string. In array constructor, we can initialize an array with array constructor syntax using new keyword. Name of an array, then new keyword, then array, which can have some arguments inside too. We will do implementation to clear the concept. For example, I have taken a string array and have initialized from variable, then written new, which is keyword of array. Then I have given values. At 0 index is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, and so on. In the same way, we have numeric and mixed arrays. There are some methods of array like concat, every, filter, etc. There are total 21 or 22. We will not do all these methods, but the ones which are important. We will do examples of those. There is a site of MDN. You can read all details there. We will do practical implementations of array methods and it will be clearer to you.